Jai Hind. Today's news is all about the NGO, that is a non-governmental organization. It can be registered under India's Trust Act 1886-82, Society Registration Act 1860. It was said that the more than 7 members would be there for a charitable institutions. It can be registered under this act. Third one is the Companies Act 2013 under Section 8. That is an organization which is working for non-profit and charitable work for the humanity and society. With the induction of NGO, its purpose was to serve the humanity and the society as a whole. But the recent corruption charges or NGO and non-transparency in their working raised the concern about its impact. Few examples are there on which corruption charges are labeled by the RT department under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, and this was violated because these companies, few examples will be there, this company got maximum their contribution from foreign sources like Life, which is a USA based NGO in India, in which parent organization is Earth Justice, CPR, and Oxfam, Environmix Trust, Care India, which got 92%, 95%, 78%, 10.19 CR, 86% of their money from foreign entities, and they were found involved in support agitators and stall various projects of government of India and private institutions like Adani Coal, JSW Steel, and they are noticed that they were working under a political agenda. Recent amendment in FCRA, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Act 2022, says that to increase the transparency in the working of NGO, Aadhaar card was mandatory for its member, so that transparency can be there on the working and administration of these NGO organization. Few charges are there on this organization, like Life is having charge that it is impacting the coal mining and thermal power plant of Adani Group as well as JSW Steel plant in Odisha and Jharkhand. CPR, that is the eminent NGO that is called Center for Policy Research, which is useful for Indian government also. But it is said that during the Hadso movement in Chhattisgarh against the coal mining, it was organizing a mass agitations to prevent coal mining, and it's under the USA company, USA NGO, that is Nomatic Inc. Oxfam, which is the partner of Oxfam Australia, also helping Oxfam Australia in Adani coal mining protest in Australia. Environmix Trust, JSW Odisha, LG Chemical in Visakhapatnam, Adani's mining in Jharkhand, and it is said that in 1250 rupees were transferred in 711 accounts of Jharkhand to organize a march past against Adani mining in the state. So after all, recent charges discredit the credibility of NGO. Let us see what comes at the last as an outcome, since it is the news in Indian Express today. So we saw the NGO working, where it can be registered under these acts and what are the charges. Thank you. Jai Hind.